As of now, the location where we are, this is the place where media people have been asked to stay put. As I mentioned, that it can be extremely dangerous right now to venture inside the city because tree uprooting has begun. Alibag city is the center. Alibag city is actually the center of the cyclone right now, and visibility, as I said, has become poor, extremely poor. This particular part of the city, of the sea actually, a structure which you can see, it's actually a fort in the middle of the sea, which is not visible anymore. But when we came here a couple of hours ago, at that time this fort was visible, clearly visible, but that's not the condition anymore. Apart from that, the teams of NDRF are here in Alibag city. Total 3 teams are in Alibag. In totality, in Raigad, the district where Alibag is located in, there are total 5 teams of NDRF. And apart from that, local administration, local police deployment is there. All the functionary, all the machinery is there according to district administration to deal with the cyclone. And I'm trying to show you as much as I can. As I was mentioning about some kind of flooding which will happen because of the heavy rainfall that is there. You can see some of the flooding here. Now remember, Afrida, in Alibag city as of now it's low tide, which means that whatever flooding will happen, it's not going to happen because of the sea level. It's going to happen because of heavy rainfall. That's actually the only silver lining right now. Here is this only, that it's not high tide as of now, because when high tide is there with heavy rainfall, that combination is extremely bad, and that is something which results into cities or places or areas getting deluged. But as of now in Alibag city and in this part of coastal line, it's low tide, which is something which is not, thankfully, at least sea level is not contributing to the flooding in the city. But as of now, extremely heavy rainfall is there right now, and wind speed, as you can see on the you can see the visuals, you can see the scene on the camera, that wind intensity, the speed has increased to a great extent.